What is happening YouTube? It's your boy TechTricks back with another video, and today we're looking at an an iPhone user switching to Android. Here we go. One, two, three. First and foremost, we're looking at a brand new phone here, Android phone. And I just wanted to try out how I'm gonna do with an Android phone. I do like Android phones and I like how you can customize it. I love how you can do whatever you want with it. But for the most part, I'm just looking at the UI. Obviously, this is not a good comparison compared to the iPhone 10 because this is a cheap device. This is only a $150 phone. This is the Ligu Kikami Mix, and this is a very cheap device. But again, we're just looking at the UI and how I'm gonna do as an iPhone user. I guess I won't be able to use my iPhone, or I won't be able to use my Apple Watch, things like that. I won't be able to AirDrop. I'm gonna try this for a few days. Let's see how I do with an Android device. I'm gonna show you guys a few tricks as well along my way, maybe installing some free movies, free apps, things and sorts of like that, maybe themes as well. So stay tuned for that, but we can go ahead and get started. I'm not gonna insert my SIM card just yet. I'm gonna set up as new. Once I've set it up, then I'll be able to put in my SIM card. There we go, checking network. Here we go, we can go ahead and sign into our phone here. Let's keep going now that we are logged in. There we go. You can try out the fingerprint, which is the one on the front. Fingerprint and pin. Let's just do that. Let's just go with the 4 zeros. Continue. There we go. Right on. Set up later. Sure, yep, allow. Yeah, first thing that I notice here for Androids, I don't know why they have to ask all these default stuff. I was just wondering if it's built into the phone. You'd imagine that it should be allowed, right? Should be just right away, just brought into the home screen, except I have to press allow and all these things. And there you go. It's not bad first impression. It's nice how you can just keep scrolling this way and it keeps going like that. It's a nice UI, so it's not too bad. For the most part, it's pretty bezel-less as well as like the iPhone 10. I wouldn't mind using this around. I'm gonna have to test out the sounds, the cameras and all that stuff if that's gonna hurt me in the long run. But stay tuned for the next video on that. So let's just go ahead and see the first things we have here. Let's say camera. Okay, just put this guy right there. Look at that. Pretty good detail. It's not bad. What about this guy right here? Oh yeah, not too bad. Let's go back home. First things first as well, like the UI right there. The Google up there. I don't get that on the iPhone. This is nice, having that on the home screen. Let's see what the weather is like. It looks like a cloud right there, so that looks like the weather. Okay, I have to allow the location. Okay, yeah, sure. Let's allow all that. Okay, that's very nice. Takes a bit of time to load and locate my area. Oh, it says it failed. I'm not sure why. Is there a way to add one? Let's see. Refresh again. Let's just add one right here. Okay. Search. Come, it's not searching. Wondering why. Well, anyways, that's not working. So let's look at the settings here. One thing I noticed here as well is I'm not able to have the gesture controls anymore. I like how they have it here as well, that this is home, back, and this is the option, I guess. I don't know what you call that, app drawer. I like that. There we go. Let's see what wallpapers they got for me. Live wallpapers. What's that? Okay, sure. Let's set that. It's pretty cool. Now that wallpaper moves. It's pretty cool. Like that. Good addition. Play Store. Okay, yeah, pretty typical stuff. Open with, I guess Chrome. Always. There's so many options, like how many browsers they have, how many. I guess that's pretty cool. Most people like that, right? More. Okay, got it. Sure. Okay. Yeah. Cool. I'm gonna have to download some of the apps here so that we'll go to YouTube app and all that stuff. Pretty basic stuff. But I like this. Yeah, it's nice. For the most part, this phone is pretty snappy. This is a nice addition, especially if you're only paying like $150 for it. I wouldn't mind that. This is the one thing I guess that I like about Android is you don't gotta pay for so much money to have a pretty decent phone. For the most part, if you're an average consumer, this is gonna do you pretty well. For the most part, $150 and you got a smartphone, you'll be able to do most of your tasks here. Pretty basic stuff like calling, texting, taking a camera, taking a photo, taking a video. I see browsing the web, watching some videos. Those are all nice. Oh, the one thing that I miss as well is for iPhone, I could just pull down like this. Oh, maybe that's it. Oh, you search for. Okay, it works. Does that? Oh, okay, yeah, it's here. All right, we got it. No worries. Well, that's it for the day, guys. I hope you liked this video of me starting off to an Android device. I'll be doing more videos to review and also tips and tricks on how to use an Android device. I'm gonna have to play around with this so that I could tell you guys more how to change your themes, how to change icons, all sorts of things like that. Free music, free TV, free live streaming, all that jazz. Hope you guys enjoy this video. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, and I hope I don't want to find any Apple sheeps out there of me switching to the Android, and I hope the Android community will let me into their community, no problem at all, right? Well, wish me good luck, and I hope to see you guys next time. Peace out.